It's very nice. I don't even like it. I love it. So yummy and juicy.
Yan
Ooh.
pang 11 na pieces na yan kay Cassie.
Plus there's also a newspaper. Plus there's a newspaper.
Sarap na sarap siya sa show.
Hello everyone. Today's this boy. My mommy cooked shawmai.
Today? What I'm gonna cook today?
Is cooking meatballs.
Not meatballs?
Cooking shawmai.
Siomai, yes.
Not
But it's not Filipino food. Hello everyone! Naanasad me ang inyong feeling vlogger nga gamay rag follower. So for today's video is gagawa ako ng siomai. Ayan. Gumawa ako ng siomai para sa mga anak ko. Nag-request sila ng siomai. Pero ang siomai hindi siya Filipino food, pero nakasanayan na nating mga Pilipino ang kumain ng siomai. Kaya parang ano lang din siya. So parang Pinoy food lang din siya, pero ano talaga siya, yung sa China talaga, Chinese food talaga yung siomai. Pero nakasanayan nating mga Pilipino ang kumain ng siomai. Kaya ito yung lulutuin ko para sa mga anak ko, at ito yung dinner nila for today. Ang pinakaaya ko sa paggawa ng siomai yung pag-wrap. Yung i-wrap mo yung siomai kasi ang tagal matapos. Ayan, lagyan ng tubig yung lahat ng tawag dito, yung round na gilid sa siomai para hindi siya bumuka. Para talaga siya, dumikit siya at hindi siya magbuka. Ang hirap mag-Tagalog. Ayan. Ayan siya, oh. So, kailangan, yung sa dulo ng round, sa dulo ng circle niya, kailangan basain mo siya ng tubig para dumikit siya at hindi siya bumuka. Yan. Ito yung siomai wrapper na bili ko sa Chinese store. Ayan yung nagawa ko lahat na siomai. Ayan, 1/4 siya na kilo na ground meat. Tapos marami pang natirang siomai wrapper. Lalagay ko ulit yan sa freezer para next time may gagamitin ulit ako. Ayan. Yan yung siomai na nagawa ko sa 250 grams na ground meat. Nag-aaway na naman yung magkapatid. No, kasi naughty? Yeah. Ayan, ready to steam ng ating siomai. So, lagay natin yung timer. So, steam natin ng 15 minutes. Ayan. Ay, ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko palang i-on yung switch. Ayan, switch. On natin yung switch. Ayan. So, ayan, naka-on na siya. Ayan. So, after 15 minutes, babalikan ko to. At sana maluto na pa kasi yung mga anak ko excited nang kumain. Ay, isang kalamansi na lang yung matira. Halos araw-araw kong kinuha yung mga bunga ng kalamansi, kaya isa na lang yung matira. Pang sausawan. May isa dito maliit. Ayan, marami na naman siyang bulaklak. Munga na naman to ulit tong kalamansi ko. Nakabili pala ako ng durian sa sa Thailand store. Ayan, frozen durian. Nakalagay na siya sa container. Oh, I'm so excited to eat the durian. Nagpayamukat na. Habang hinihintay namin na maluto yung siomai, ayan, nood muna kami ng nursery rhyme. Sasamahan ko si Jackie dito, nood siya ng nursery rhyme. At nagkalat siya dito, yung cover ng sofa. Minorder niya. Uy! Sit down properly. Yan, nanood siya ng... What's that you're watching, Jackie?
Little Angel.
Yan, nanood siya ng Little Angel. Yan, 15 minutes na. So, check natin. Ayan. Tapos na pala. Na-off na. Ayan. So, ayan na yung siomai. Luto na siya. Tatlong ano yan siya. Tatlong layer ng siomai ang nagawa ko. Ito yung siomai. Yan, luto na siya. Ayan, luto na. Yung 3 layers of siomai na nagawa ko. Ayan. Ito yung dinner namin for tonight. Yan, kakain na sila. Ito yung plato ni Jackie. Oh. Ito pa pili. Ito kay Jackie.
I remember to grab a bag because
Ayan, kakain na sila. Ito yung dinner nila. Ayaw pala nila ng ano, yung may sausawan. Mas gusto nila yung plain lang. Kasi dati, nung nilutuan ko sila ng siomai, gumawa ako ng sauce. Hindi nila pinansin yung sauce. Ayaw daw nila na may sauce. Mas gusto nila yung ano lang. Yung plain lang talaga ng siomai. So, do you like my siomai? As usual, again.
Mommy, I call it dumpling, not siomai.
Yeah, but it's siomai. We call it siomai.
It's
In English, it's dumplings.
it's siomai.
What the real name of that is siomai.
Oh, alright. Is it? What language is it in?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Chopstick.
There's no more chopsticks, only 2.
They don't know how to use it.
Oh my god, I want chopstick
Okay, tomorrow we buy chopsticks, okay?
for me.
Yes, for you, the special one, okay? So eat now. So which one is better? The one we ordered from the Chinese restaurant before when we used to live in the town center?
This one.
Or my
Yours.
siomai?
It's really it's delicious and juicy.
Yeah. Mas gusto nila ang Pinoy version na siomai. Kasi dati, nung nakatira pa kami sa town center, kasi ngayon nakatira na kami sa village, sa barangay na kami nakatira sa barrio. Dati, nung nakatira kami sa town center, lagi ako nag-order ng mga Chinese food, tsaka Japanese food, delivery food.
Mommy, that's soup dumpling.
Tapos, mas ano,
Mommy, that's
tapos ngayon, sabi nila, mas masarap daw ang Pinoy version na siomai. Yan, mas gustuhan nila. Yeah,
Mommy, this soup dumpling because there's soup inside.
it's a juicy one.
What mince is this?
Ayan, nagustuhan nila ang Pinoy version na siomai. At ito pala yung plato ko. Hindi ko yan maubos. Yan. If you want some more, just get it there.
Mommy, what about you?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the leftover.
Mommy. I want chopstick.
There's no chopstick. Is there more chopstick in there?
No.
There's no more chopstick, Jackie.
Hey, I can't borrow your chopstick.
Give her your chopstick.
No, but you try it.
Gusto niya mag-chopstick. Hindi naman siya marunong mag-chopstick.
Jackie, I don't know how to use it.
Yan yung sinampay ko. Andun pa rin sa heater. Every time na maglalaba ako kapag taglamig na
She's
tag-ulan,
using them wrong.
sa heater ko isasampay para after few
See,
hours, ano na, dry na siya.
The chocolate because it's new or is it because
Naning, hey, don't put all in your mouth. Sinubo lahat yung malaking siomai.
it's so good. I like it. That's why you should use a fork. Give it to me.
No, give it. It is too late. Let her. Do you like my siomai? Yeah. Yan, sarap na sarap
She
sila
only
sa
eats things with the
sarap na sarap sila sa
Jackie only
Filipino
eats things.
version na siomai.
Jackie only eats things when she's
My version of siomai. Filipino ako, kaya yung Filipino version.
my desserts. I'm better. I'm better.
Huh?
I'm better.
There's chocolate donut in there. That's the dessert.
Filipino.
Huh?
Filipino, but it's okay because you didn't make a dessert.
You want Filipino dessert?
Can you make that champorado one?
How can we make champurrado? We don't have this, what you call this? The rice. Tawag ito, yours is glutinous rice. Next time.
I love it.
It's okay, Bella. Let her borrow. I'm gonna order some more chopstick. Ayan.
The fact they're using them incorrectly. Yeah.
It's okay. She's learning.
Oh, my better without the meat, but it actually tastes so good. Oh,
Eat it.
Cassie, my Jackie was picking up her. Oh, Jackie was picking up her. What's
It's okay.
happened?
Use your hand, I said.
Yeah, use your hand, Jackie. Where did it go?
Yan, si Cassie. Malapit na. Nilagyan ko yan ng ano.
Thank you, Jackie.
8
That's why you should use your forky.
pieces na siomay ang nilagay ko sa plato ni Cassie.
It
At
was
ayan.
9.
It was 9. 9 pala.
How many
Nine.
pieces?
Nilagyan ko ng 9 pieces na siomay yung plato niya. At ayan, ang bilis maubos. Isa na lang natira. Kay Philia din, nilagyan ko ng 8 pieces. Yan, 2 na lang natira. Ang bilis.
Jackie, the dumpling.
Ang bilis lang naubos ng ano nila siomay. Sarap na sarap sa siomay.
We have no chopstick.
Nice. Mas nasasarapan sila sa version ko na siomay kaysa sa in-order lagi namin in-order sa
loves using
sa Chinese
chopsticks.
restaurant dati.
Let's use fork.
Yes, Unicorn loves to use a fork. What's the smallest? This one. No, this one.
Yeah, it's some.
I like Spider-Man.
Yeah, pang 10 peraso na yan eh kasi.
Yeah.
It's better the fork. You can eat it.
Good.
You can eat it better.
It's better than.
You eat it easily.
You eat it easily, yeah.
It's better than.
It's better than the chopstick.
Stick.
Yes, it is. It's too good. It's too good, sabi ni Cassie. Sarap na sarap siya sa ano sa siomay. Yan, some more, Phila. Some more in there.
They don't lie. I like it.
Eat some more. Eat some more.
It's very nice. I don't even like it. I love it. So yummy and juicy.
Yan, pang
True.
11 na pieces na yan kay Cassie.
Plus it also a newspaper. Plus there's a newspaper.
Sarap na sarap siya sa siomay. Yan, naka 11 pieces na
You
siya.
eat this.
I'm gonna have the pancit canton.
Okay.
Eat that.
Thank you.
Eat that. I'm gonna make
Thank you.
noodles for myself. May ano ako dyan. May pancit canton
You
ako. May
like
laki
noodles?
pancit canton.
Mm-hmm.
Yun yung ano ko.
So
Dinner
you
ko.
think noodles are better than this? Or
Yeah, I love shumai too.
I feel like
But I
that
always
one.
eat shumai in the Philippines.
so you
So I'm gonna give it all to you.
thank you.
Because you only eat shumai sometimes.
Only like 3 times. No, this is like the 4th or 5th. No, like this time, I don't know.
I was joking.
Just joking.
Good.
It's good, I know. Look, Philia and Cassie eat a lot.
Where is Papa?
Papa is in the shop.
Papa does like Shubai.
Papa loves shumai too.
Papa does.
Yeah. But I have to stay at home because I'm not feeling well.
Are you feel ill?
I am ill, yeah. That's why I have to stay home. And I don't go in the shop because I'm ill.
You don't go anywhere.
Yeah, I have to stay home.
Just stay home.
One more, then I'm gonna be full.
Ayan, naka 12 pieces na si Cassie. Si Philia, naka 9 pieces na siomay. At saka pang 10 yung isang natira sa plato niya. I know you want some more. Don't be shy.
I'm full.
Yep, are you sure?
After this, I'm gonna eat dessert.
Yan, si Philia, naka
Dad,
10 pieces na siomay.
Booty.
Si Cassie, naka 12 pieces na siomay.
13.
13 pala.
Too yummy.
It's too yummy daw. Kaya naka 13 pieces na siomay.
You are alright.
Si Philia naman naka 10 pieces.
Don't say.
You want some more, Philia? You're full na.
Yeah.
Don't say.
Sarap na sarap sila sa Pinoy version na siomay.
Sarap.
Sobrang
Very
sarap.
syrup. Very
Yeah.
syrup.
Very sarap si Mama.
Yummy. Thank you, syrup infinity%.
Yes. Si Jackie naman, ilang,
Say.
2, 4, 5. Apat,
Double infinity%.
2, 4, 5. Tatlo pa lang nakain ni Jackie.
Mommy,
8 pieces
Mommy,
8 pieces kasi yung nilagay ko sa plato
Mommy,
niya.
double infinity%.
Okay.
What is that? Bite.
Ito yung natira sa akin. 3 piraso na lang.
Look.
Yeah, Mommy's not
Yan.
eating it.
Look.
Ito yung natira. Kasi ang dami lang nakain. Halos maubos nila lahat. Sarap na sarap sila sa aking version na siomai. Try nga natin kung masarap pa talaga. So, try natin kung masarap pa talaga itong siomai na ginawa ko. Kasi naparami ng kain ang ang mga
For like 2 hours.
ang mga anak ko.
Handy.
But we had not to play my tablet and plug to the people 2 hours. Got the waiting.
Sarap nga. Masarap siya. Kaya pala ang dami lang nakain.
Mommy, I hate.
Thank you so much for watching our videos at sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin. Sobrang maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe ninyo ang channel namin and please like and share our videos. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi ako masasawang magpasalamat sa inyo. So thank you so much talaga sa pagsuporta nyo sa channel namin. So see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye!
Bye.